Challenge number 1 on append methods asks us in the code, or tells us in the code cell below, list is declared as a list with 4 integers, and it just tells us to append any object at all, to the end of our list and submit the code. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to go list.append, and let's go ahead and declare something. I'm going to call it my string. I'm going to say this is my string, and I'm going to append it. Right? And then let's go ahead and get that appended. I think I should be in good shape here. Let's double check that we get the check mark. We do, right? It's also worth noting that we can actually skip the middleman here. We don't need to assign it to a variable. We can actually just put the string in as the argument to this method directly instead of assigning it to a variable first. If we run this, this is still going to be correct. So just understand that there's an alternative here. But right, this is how we use the append method. I'm going to go ahead and copy this code, and let's just double check that we know what's happening here. If I put this code in here and then we go ahead and print that list, save that, go ahead and give it an execute. Right, I can see that my list, when I print it out, now has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my string, and I'm going to append it. So that's it for this first challenge in the append method, and I will see you over on the next video.